Believe in yourself and never underestimate your power. So, what is believe? Believe is something you know which is truth, something which does not require any proof. Believe is something unwritten truth for yourself. And how this belief comes from, where it comes from? It comes from your experience and knowledge, experience from childhood, and mainly your memory or experience from childhood until age of 7 year, and then 7 to 12 year. That is the main time or main experience when your belief got built or installed in your subconscious mind. So, and now belief can be three kind of belief: empowering, disempowering, or limiting belief. Empowering is something which give you energy, you feel expanded or strength, motivation, positive. Those are the empowering belief. Disempowering belief that make you feel bad or negative, right? And limiting belief is something which stop you to take action, right? So during childhood, mainly four type of belief we get in our mind or subconscious mind: for health, relationship, money, and for self, right? So how to know that whether your belief is right, or I mean the empowering or disempowering? Just you can write and you can think about believe, what belief you have, what you know, what is truth, right? What is rule, you know, what is reality, and what how it is for you. For different area of life, you can take for health, for relationship, parenting, social, for emotion, for mindset, and all other field of life, about the people. And you just observe what is your belief. Now it could be, the belief could be disempowering or limiting, but there is option, and there is good news is that we can make it empowering. We can reprogram the belief or subconscious mind. How? Through various options: through reading books, watching video, through association, through some affirmation, and some other action. So belief is something which either make you to do or achieve something, or limit you. Have you realized that on same vehicle, on same road, some people drive on speed of 60, some people drive on speed of 80? Although it is not the right example, overspeeding or driving fast is not something good thing, but still within the control, within the limit. If someone is driving 60, someone is driving 80, what is difference? The difference is belief. Or how believe? The people who is driving on 60, maybe after some time he will start driving on 80. So how it will change? It will change with experience and knowledge. So experience is the key for the belief, right? Because belief come from the experience. Faith is something that is blind, or that is basically trust or truth, or it comes from someone. The someone say to follow certain ritual or certain thing, and we follow without asking question, without any experience. That is called faith. But belief comes from the experience. The most important for belief is the experience and knowledge, right? So now you have to believe on yourself for whatever you want to achieve or whatever you want to do. Some people climb the Mount Everest, some people could not, because somebody believed. The people who has done all the like invention or discovered few things, and somebody who has made it because he has believed, right? Other people could not believe. You cannot surpass your belief. There is a sage that if you can believe, you can achieve, right? Of course, with the action, right? There is one not word but bee. I don't know exact name. That I think I don't know name of that bee. That scientist has. Okay, leave this. So in life, it is most important, or the fundamental requirement and the basic requirement is to believe on yourself. And once you believe, you have unlimited power. You have the unlimited strength. Then there is no limitation. Once you believe on yourself 100%, you can do and you can achieve anything and everything whatever you want in life, right? So remember to believe in yourself and never underestimate your power.